Hi everyone, this is Megha. A lot of you have been asking me about what it is that we do in this Love Yourself, Heal Your Life workshop. Well, just as the name suggests, love yourself and heal your life. One of the most important relationships that you have in life is with yourself. You're going to live in this body all your life. You're going to live with this one person all your life, that is you. You're always going to see one person responding in the same way that you love and honor and respect it. That is that person you see in the mirror. What we are going to do in this workshop is very special. That is, everything that prevents you from experiencing the life that you have always wanted, the relationship that you have always wanted to enjoy, the happiness that you wanted to experience from life, the kind of abundance you wanted to attract in life, the kind of goals and targets you wanted to achieve, but maybe something was stopping, or maybe you put 100% results but you were not getting, the kind of health that you want to enjoy, happiness that you wish to experience. All of this is going to be worked on in this workshop. Well, within us still lives that little child of 5 or 7 that learned everything about life from the people it grew up with. Most of your mind's programming are done in a very early age with people that you grew up with. And even though they taught us many good things like about love and life and joys of life, a lot of what they taught us, knowingly or unknowingly, was quite negative too. It could be that some of the things that you learn from others and from life could have been limiting you right now. Every thought that you think, every belief that you carry goes out from you and comes back to you as an experience. Life is a mirror. Whatever is inside you is going to reflect outside in your experiences. So what do I do to change my experiences? I change myself. It's only and only one person that I can ever change fully in life and have control over. That's my own self and my own thought and the power that I have over my mind. So if I am that powerful, if I can change my thought, I can change my reality as well. Because thoughts become things. Every thought that you think is manifesting in your life. Now don't get too worried about it. I know a lot of what we think is not exactly aligned to what we should be experiencing or what we would like to experience from life. That's exactly what we are going to change. We are going to change and transform the old mental patterns that we are carrying. That little child, whatever it learned as a child, some of it may have been great, well, some of it may not have been so great. So that what is not so great, we are going to change that. Those old mental tapes that goes on and on and on in your head, we're going to break those patterns and change it. And we are going to do that with many beautiful therapies which are part of this workshop. It's a deep, deep inner child healing, and that happens for you in this workshop. And I can guarantee you something, that you will be absolutely in love with life all over again, just like me and many other people who have attended this workshop. The course is very systematic, and even though it all sounds very heavy to work on, we will accomplish that in the most fun and joyful ways. There are many exercises which are part of it. Songs, chants, affirmations, mirror therapy, inner child work, deconditioning and reconditioning of your mind, and family constellation, and so much more that is part of this workshop, which will at the end of this workshop leave you as a totally transformed person. So I wish that you will listen to your inner guidance and join us in this group workshop, which is going to be spread over 6 weeks, and every week we are going to have a session and some growth work that is to follow up. It takes at least about roughly 30 days or so for your new patterns, new synapses to work. And when you are working constantly day after day with those beautiful, powerful, and yet very simple methods, you are going to be building this new pattern already. At the end of the 6 weeks, you would have already accomplished what we wanted to accomplish from this workshop. So I wish to welcome you super soon. The details of this workshop are going to be down there somewhere in the details. You can always write to us, inbox us, and we will get back to you with whatever queries you may have. Most of the details are given in the link below, so go through it and register yourself super soon. And we will add you to this group of enthusiastic participants which are coming together and creating a beautiful environment of growth and healing and holding space for each other. This is Megha from Cosmic Tree Foundation. I am a certified and licensed trainer with Hay House to teach these inspirational teachings which are taught and created by Louise L. Hay, and I look forward to welcome you very soon. Take care and live a happy and joyful life. See you soon.